Code Unnati. We welcome on behalf of Lokmanya Tilak, Jan Kalyan Shikshan Sanstha's Lokmanya Tilak College of Engineering. We extend a warm welcome to our Computer Engineering Head of Department Dr. Shiva PS, Faculty Coordinator Shulva Yadav, and Code Unnati's Master Akshay Chaskar, and my dear respected peers. I would like to appreciate by being settled at a place and being calm and allowing yourself to interact with speaker. This gesture of respecting the speaker is highly commendable, and I believe you all will maintain this gesture till the end session ends. You all have been allotted with volunteers who will collect attendance and provide you assistance for any sincere help. And before we begin, I would like to call our Computer Engineering Head of Department, Dr. Shiva PS, to address our audience.
Good afternoon, students, faculty members, and experts from Code Unnati. So, as you all know that this Code Unnati or the Center of Excellence is being created to bridge the gap between industry and academia. And since its inception, we have organized various training programs for starting from second year to final year students. Basically, we have advanced courses for third year and final year students, and foundation course we have recently started. That is exclusively for the second year students. So as you can see, you have been going through rigorous training program which you are getting from third year onwards, and the advantage of this is completely free of cost. So that is what advantage you are getting, and all the department students are involved here. What is our aim is to make our students industry ready when they pass out of this institute. So when you are reaching to the final year, so when you are going through the Center of Excellence, the programs, training programs, you will be having an edge for attending the interviews, placement interviews. So you will be more confident in facing the interview, and most probably will be many of you will be able to get the placements. So that is one thing, and please make use of this opportunity because this college is providing it as free of cost, and we are giving the particular training hours even for second year also, and for the third year and final year students. This is especially for third year and final year students. So the training program, please be attentive, please understand, and please try to clear your doubts. So this is you can collaborate with your peer members, you can learn and grow. So this is what, please make use of the opportunity to the maximum. Okay, all the best students. I am not extending my words. So I will invite ma'am or sir to say few words. Okay, thank you.
Now I would like to invite the Code Unnati Master Akshay Chaskar to begin with orientation. Thank you.
गुड आफ्टरनून वन एंड ऑल। आज कोई खाना के नहीं आया लगता है। यस, गुड आफ्टरनून वन एंड ऑल। I know it's been a very pleasant weather outside and you have to see my face, so sorry for that in the initial beginning, sir. I'll try to make sure that this particular half an hour that we are indulging right now is not boredom or something like that. Okay. So let me specify why are we here. So if you look at the very first slide, this is a Code Unnati program, guys, which is completely free for everyone, and we are here to offer certain things to each and every one of you. I can clearly see there are certain people at the last who are not paying any attention and creating certain nuisance. So I request them to kindly keep quiet. Yes. Now moving further, this is sponsored by SAP and driven by Edunet Foundation. Yes, you heard it right. This is sponsored by SAP, a German company who have more than 1,000 plus employees, and this is coming under the CSR. Now, what do I mean by the same? Corporate social responsibility. So, guys, the companies who have a revenue more than 2,000 plus crores or so have to deliver certain things to towards the society in order to save their tax, and then there are some other things as well. So they are paying for those kind of things. So if you are considering that this is completely free, so that's wrong. We have established an entire lab in the college. A specific amount of revenue has been delivered to the same, and so SAP and Edunet Foundation are coming together to give you the industry relevant steps. Now, if I just move further, you can skip this. Okay. So yes, this is something that we already mentioned, that this is sponsored by SAP and delivered by the Edunet Foundation. We can move further. So, priorly guys, we are situated in Mumbai, Maharashtra, Gujarat and in Bangalore. Right now we have spreaded routes in Lucknow as well as Hyderabad as well. Followed by that, I just want to specify and congratulate your faculties and principals as well. Why is it so? Because priorly it is there in the 8 to 9 colleges in Maharashtra. This is the exclusive program guys. This is not happening in each and every college. Priorly, it is happening only in 8 colleges in Maharashtra. Now we have shut down to only 4 colleges in Maharashtra. Yes. So this is happening only in 4 colleges in Maharashtra. You can check it in internet or anywhere else, as this is entire thing sponsored by SAP. You can see there is only SAP Code Unnati lab is there. Now followed by that, if we move further, yes, yeah, we can move further. So these are certain impacts that what are the different things that we are here to provide. Followed by that, what are the different courses that we will be delivering. Yes, we can move further. And these are certain glimpses. Now guys, I'll specify that what is the course curriculum, what are the different things that we are here to provide, and followed by the same. But I just want to specify because ये हमें clear cut बोला गया था कि now onwards, from the last year onwards, there is a huge gap between the industry relevant training and the actual placement. I think many of you can relate with the same. कि students भी हमें call करके बोलते थे सर ये तो हो गया but placement नहीं मिल रही है or something like that. So in order to bridge that gap, we do have our dedicated placement team, just like your college placements. But guys, what thing that we have seen that many of the students are not even able to crack the screening rounds. Now I don't know, as you are already in the 3rd year, आपके next sem में आप placement के लिए eligible हो, right? But many of the students are not even able to crack the screening rounds, and that is for the same we have made certain changes in our course curriculum itself, and these are the clear-cut instructions which are coming from the SAT as well. So as a part of that, we have something called as innovation marathon, where guys, आप सब AML, you are from different backgrounds. Guys, are you guys aware about Kaggle? Yes, you heard about this, है ना? अभी HOD principal से यहाँ पे तो department head से तो आपको बोलना पड़ेगा कि Kaggle के बारे में नहीं पता तो कैसे चलेगा, है ना? So yes, so similar kind of hackathons we are arranging across the India, and innovation marathon is more like that only. We can move further. So these are certain testimonials from the different colleges that those students who are placed or alumni students, they are sharing their own testimonials. So this slide is all about that. We can move further. मैं आपकी काम की चीजों के ऊपर ही ज़्यादा फोकस करूँगा, मैं बाकी चीजें आपको ज़्यादा. Yes, we can move further. Yes, so this is something where I need to put all my focus on कि what's in it for you, है ना? मैंने अपने बारे में तो brief introduction दे दिया, या आप जब सेशन में मिलोगे तब भी मैं अपने बारे में थोड़ा बहुत बता दूंगा. But the main thing is कि हम आपको क्या ऑफर कर रहे हैं. That is the sole reason all of you are here. So we can. Okay. थोड़ा आगे चल. थोड़ा आगे चल. Yes. So guys, first thing first, now we are addressing the topics that we are covering over here. So there are mix of topics, mostly are based on AI, ML and data domain. So you can see data analytics where you can find certain insights from the data, and then there are some visualization tools. If I talk about precisely, libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, or tools like Power BI, tools like SAP Analytical Cloud. SSE is a new BI tool which is there in the market. Next. Then AI, so AI we are right now we are offering things based on NLP and computer vision both. Okay, within the same we are trying to solve different case studies on different domains, mostly finance and healthcare. Yes. And yes, this is a new thing that we have introduced from the last year itself, where we are doing certain things on generative AI. So we will be knowing the difference between normal AI and the generative AI, how this is different from the regular course curriculum, what are the different industry applications that we can do within the same. Okay, in that we are covering things like computer vision, next NLP. Now let me talk about the difference between two. Computer vision is basically dealing with the images, whereas NLP is dealing with the textual data. And yes, our star pro overall the years is nothing but the IoT tools, where we are discussing about different sensors and connecting the hardware with the software. So guys, as I already mentioned, the main idea behind launching this program from now onwards is to focus on the placement of different students. Okay, so that is the sole reason from this year onwards. Last year we have integrated certain things in the LMS, but from this year onwards we are keeping this in our main course curriculum as well. Nothing but the competitive coding, where we are discussing the DSA and the rest of the part. What are the different kind of questions that are that is being asked in the different interviews, because we want कि students को बस training नहीं मिले, training and placement की भी बात हो रही है ना, तो I don't want to neglect that particular part. हाँ, अभी कुछ लोग यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, अभी तक किसी को कुछ इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. When the competitive coding and placement की बात हो रही है, तो now students are paying a little bit attention over here. So guys, we are sincerely here to make sure that whichever students are sitting for the sessions or so, not just complete the course curriculum with the SAP or so, but also get placed in the placement arena as well. Okay, so we are focusing extensively on the same. Yes. Now let me talk about the detailed course curriculum. Yes, you can move further. So we can skip this because many of all of you are here from this third year only. So come back to the. Yes. So guys, for your sake of reference, this is how the entire course curriculum will look like for all of you guys. So if I say so, we are starting with AI and machine learning. Okay. So we can start with the crash course where we walk around with the industry relevant training based on NumPy pandas, and then directly starts with the machine learning algorithms. Followed by that, we will move our attention towards neural networks as well. I'm purposely using some technical words because all of you are from the technical domain itself. Till last year, we are also considering the non-technical students as well, but from this year onwards, our 90% attention is from people coming from the tech domain itself. Okay, so you may consider the. So in the deep learning, we are discussing different neural networks, whether to deal with the image kind of data or the normal machine learning kind of stuff. Followed by that, guys, we are also integrating SAP ABAP Cloud in the same as well. We are also offering certain things on ABAP Cloud. आपको कुछ दिन का free access भी हम देने वाले हैं क्लाउड का, so that आपको अगर मॉडल डिप्लॉय करना है उसके अंदर, या यूजर्स क्रिएट करने हैं, यूजर्स को इंस्टेंसेस असाइन करना है, एंड देन देयर आर सम अदर थिंग्स एज वेल व्हिच यू कैन डू. प्लीज डू नॉट कंपेयर फ्री ट्रायल एक्सेस एंड सम पेड एक्सेस एज वेल इन द सेम. Followed by that, guys, if I just specify, so for third year, all those things consist of total. Acha guys, please look at the very last thing over there. So it's a complete 125 hours program. Now let me break this down into certain things. So total 53 hours of technical training, 53 to 70 hours. Followed by that, you can see there is a module for your soft skills, for email etiquettes, for how to optimize your LinkedIn profile and whatnot. So 20 hours are for the same, how to design your resume so that you are industry ready, how to search for the keywords, okay, how to create your portfolio within the same. So ये सारी चीजें 20 hours में occupy. Then 30 hours are dedicatedly designed for your capstone project guides, because as you can see, whenever you are sharing your resumes, so the first thing that recruiter looks is the keywords and along with the what kind of projects that you have worked upon. So people who are from working in the SAP are also guiding you, and the mentors like me, and then there are some other mentors as well, are also guiding you कि industry relevant project में exactly क्या करना चाहिए. Guys, let me specify certain things. I have total 3+ years of working experience as an AI engineer, and then I have joined Edunet Foundation. Okay, so if you need any particular things कि अभी exactly industry की requirement क्या है or something like that, it has been clear instruction कि we need to guide students according to the same. Now let's move further. Do we have any 4th year students over here? No, then we can skip this. Okay. So guys, as I already mentioned, this is not just for the training, it is placement as well. जब आप यहाँ पे register भी करोगे, तो आपको after registration and after completing certain hours, आपको apply jobs का option वहाँ पे दिखने वाला है. तो even though, guys, I already mentioned this is only happening in 4 colleges in Maharashtra. Entire Maharashtra it is happening in only 4 colleges. So we are not only offering the training but placement as well. So there is a dedicated placement team, and आपको आपके पोर्टल पे ही apply jobs का option दिखने वाला है. You can ask the same thing to the prior students as well कि उनको दिख रहा है नहीं दिख रहा है or whatever that particular part. If you need any kind of clarification in the same. Yes, you can move further. So in that 20-hour placement session, these are different skills that one can learn. So starting from creating resumes to representing yourself, talking about your communicational skills, your confidence, voice modulations, how to search the keywords, how to actually refer for a job or so, how to approach someone on LinkedIn. So all those things are covered in this particular part. Okay, and what kind of jobs or what kind of business areas that you can look for after completion of this program is this one, guys. You can consider most of the things are based on AI and ML domain, okay, or data domain if I say so. So whether that is data engineer, machine learning engineer, data analyst, data scientist, LLM ops or something like that. Okay, so you can access this kind of domains. There are certain rules based on IoT and some others as well, but most of the things are based on data domain. Yes, so the most important thing is अभी बस 2 मिनट सब लोग सुन लीजिए. Why am I saying this? Because this is not for everyone. We have certain limitations. We can only access some selective students. तो ये 2 मिनट अगर आप अच्छे से सुन लोगे तो शायद आप शॉर्टलिस्ट हो सकते हो. Okay? Now let me specify certain things, guys. There are few instructions which I have to give. First thing first, there are certain criteria in order to complete your program. Okay? Shortlisting से पहले मैं आपको बता दे रहा हूँ कि if this is program for you or not, you decide it initially first, because we are not forcing anyone to join us or something like this. So the first criteria is कि आपकी 75% अटेंडेंस होनी ही चाहिए. ओके, देखो 120 आवर्स का प्रोग्राम है, उसमें भी कैप्स्टोन प्रोजेक्ट के 30 आवर्स, सो ऑलमोस्ट आपके 100 आवर्स के प्रोग्राम यहाँ पे होने वाला है. तो वी आर ट्रैकिंग अटेंडेंस ऑन ईच एंड एवरी डे. आपको आपका डेडिकेटेड LMS लर्निंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम मिलने वाला है. वहीं पे आपको स्टडी मटेरियल, वहीं पे आपको अप्लाई जॉब्स, वहीं पे आपको प्लेसमेंट रेडीनेस थिंग्स के मतलब हैकर और हैकर अकाउंट का एक्सेस, मतलब सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ पोर्टल्स का एक्सेस वगैरह सब मिलने वाला है। तो वहां पे आप अपनी डेली अटेंडेंस चेक करोगे। मैं आपको इनिशियली बता रहा हूँ, तो अगर सर मेरा ऐसे हो गया, वो ये हो गया था, मैं यहाँ पे चला गया था, वी आर नॉट एंटरटेनिंग एनी एसेट any access things. Okay, followed by that the second thing is after completion of your attendance there are two graded assessment. Okay, तो मिड टर्म असेसमेंट एंड फाइनल असेसमेंट, दोनों असेसमेंट में आपको मोर देन 60% स्कोर करना ही है। 60% एंड अबव, तो 59% को भी एलिजिबल नहीं कंसीडर किया जाएगा। दैट इज द सेकंड थिंग। थर्डली, आपका कैप्स्टोन प्रोजेक्ट इंडस्ट्री रेडी होगा तो ही वो एक्सेप्ट किया जाएगा। ऐसे नहीं कि कुछ भी बना के सबमिट कर दिया तो आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे। अगर आपके मार्क्स रेट, जैसे कैप्स्टोन प्रोजेक्ट को 40 मार्क्स है, तो मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ कि आपको अगर 25 एंड अबव मार्क्स कैप्स्टोन प्रोजेक्ट में नहीं मिले तो यू विल बी डिस्क्वालिफाइड फ्रॉम द सेम। मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, लास्ट ईयर जो लोगों ने मतलब जिनका अटेंडेंस सही है, जिनका असेसमेंट भी उन्होंने दिया है, बट कैप्स्टोन प्रोजेक्ट में कम मार्क्स मिले, या मान लो कि अटेंडेंस थोड़ा सा कम है, तो उनको कुछ भी सर्टिफिकेट हमने नहीं दिया था। उससे पहले हम पार्टिसिपेशन सर्टिफिकेट दे रहे थे। फ्रॉम लास्ट ईयर ऑनवर्ड्स कुछ भी सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिला है, तो आपका ना सर्टिफिकेट बनेगा। उसका मैं आपको एक और इन्फॉर्मेशन बताता हूँ गाइस। तो आपके ये आवर्स कैलकुलेट नहीं होंगे, तो आप अगर कॉलेज के आवर्स मिस करके यहाँ पे बैठ रहे हो और अगर आपको ये भी अटेंडेंस नहीं होगा, देन यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर योर टीचर्स, यू आर आंसरेबल फॉर देम कि आपको तो ये सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिला, तो आप एग्जैक्टली कर क्या रहे थे। ठीक है, क्योंकि बात घूम फिर के फिर उसके ऊपर आती है, इसलिए मैं अभी बता रहा हूँ गाइस। सो प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट ऑल थ्री क्राइटेरिया मस्ट गेट सैटिस्फाइड। आपकी अटेंडेंस, आपकी असेसमेंट के मार्क्स, असेसमेंट एज इन मिड टर्म एंड फाइनल असेसमेंट, एंड द प्रोजेक्ट दैट यू आर मेकिंग, बिकॉज ओवर हियर वी ओनली वांट डेडिकेटेड पीपल जिनको सच में इंडस्ट्री रेलेवेंट प्रोग्राम्स का फायदा उठाना है। ठीक है, सो प्लीज टेक अ नोट ऑफ द सेम। Yes, do we have any questions? Anyone having any questions? कौन सी कंपनीज आ, सर प्लेसमेंट कितने से कितने का मिलेगा, कौन सी कंपनीज आ सकती है, सर सच में बोल रहे हो ये सब होने वाला है या बोलने के लिए बोल रहे हो, ऐसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस। हाँ गाइस, प्लीज बी फ्रैंक इफ देयर आर एनी क्वेश्चंस, इसीलिए मैं यहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ। ठीक है, बस तो हंस रहे थे ना, ओके फाइन। शायद फैकल्टीज के सामने नहीं पूछने कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे भी हो सकता है। यस, एचओडी मैम इज आल्सो हियर। ठीक है, ठीक है, लेट्स मूव फर्दर। सो गाइस, शुड वी स्टार्ट द रजिस्ट्रेशन देन? ओके, तो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, यहाँ पे क्यूआर कोड, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। एवरीवन प्लीज स्कैन दिस क्यूआर कोड। आपको यहीं पे रजिस्टर करना है, तो कुछ भी हेल्प लगेगी जस्ट रेज योर हैंड्स, आई विल बी देयर टू हेल्प यू आउट।